Hello, hello. How are you today? I hope you're well. My name is Gregory, and today we're going grocery shopping. I'm going to drive to the store, and we're gonna go grocery shopping. All right, let's go.
Chocolate, algo especial que haga sentir amada a la persona. Caño cristales. Caño cristales es...
I'm always listening to comprehensible input. Comprehensible input is the way. Thank you, Dreaming Spanish. Thank you, Chelsea, for the video. Okay. We made it to HEB. HEB is a food store in Texas. HEB means here everything's better. HEB, here everything's better. Is it better? Maybe. Big cart? Little cart. I just need a little cart. Okay, so I have a list. I made a list. On my list is chicken, pork, eggs, bread, trash bags, and maybe soda. That's my list. I'll try to show you some of the store. I won't show you everything, but I'll show you some. Here we have some fruit, right? Various different fruit, apples, red apples, pears, oranges, bananas, pineapples. So much fruit. Bananas. I don't want green bananas. I want yellow bananas. Green bananas, no. Yellow bananas, yes. We also have some vegetables now, right? Some broccoli, celery, carrots, radish, lettuce, all kinds of vegetables. So here we have some sushi, different kinds of sushi, more sushi. I love sushi. Here is the bakery. The bakery. So we have lots of cakes. Cake with sprinkles. A cookie cake. Brownies. Cupcakes. All kinds of cakes. Let's keep going. More sweets. We have some cookies. Pies. We have some pies. Delicious pies. Now, here's the meat section. So all different kinds of meat. Pork, beef, steak, all kinds of meat. Here's the chicken. Chicken. I came to the store for chicken. So I'm going to buy chicken. Let's see. So I got my chicken drumsticks, and this chicken thigh. So it's different parts of the chicken. Chicken drumstick versus chicken thigh. Just different parts of the chicken. Okay, let's see what's next on my list. Next is bread. Let me go get bread. Let's go. Okay, here's all the bread. Bread. Whole wheat bread. Peanut butter. Next on my list, I need to get some eggs. Next, I'll get eggs. Before I get the eggs, I found a special aisle. An aisle is the different sections. This is the candy aisle, or the juice aisle. I'll get some juice, orange juice, tomato juice, grapefruit juice, lemonade. I'll get lemonade. All candy, all different types of candy. There's Kit Kat, Hershey's, Reese's. Do you know these candies? So I got my favorite candy. My favorite candy? Crunch bars. But the little, it's not the big chocolate bar, it's pieces. Crunch. Next, Sour Patch Kids. Sour Patch Kids, my favorite. I love it. Okay, now let's go get eggs. I got distracted. Okay, here are all the eggs. I'm gonna get some brown eggs. Looks good. And now I just have two more things on my list. Trash bags and soda. Then that's it. So let's get the trash bags. Trash bags. Let's see. This'll work. Last thing, soda, and I'm good. Actually, I changed my mind. Instead of soda, I'm going to get sparkling water. Sparkling water, do you know? Sparkling water. It's like soda, but it's not soda. It's water, but it's carbonated. So it has bubbles. It's carbonated. That's why it's sparkling water. Because it's fizzy like soda. It's carbonated. Here's the soda, but I don't want soda. Dr. Pepper, Sunkist, 7-Up. root beer, soda. Now, let's go check out. Let's go pay. Pay for all the groceries. Los pitanis. Aletake. One more thing I forgot. I wanted to buy some wine. Wine, like that you drink. A little bit of alcohol. Not liquor, not tequila or whiskey, just wine. Wine. I got this bottle. It's so pretty. Pretty bottle of wine. Okay, now I'll go pay. Now I'll go check out. Let's go. Okay, so we're leaving HEB now. We're leaving. I finished grocery shopping and I got everything I needed. I got everything I needed and more. So now I'll just drive home, I'll eat, and then I'll go to sleep. I'll go to sleep. And eventually I'll edit this video, okay? But thank you for watching. Keep listening, keep watching, and keep understanding, and your English will improve. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.